had a busy morning. We've just done some chores and grocery shopping, and now we're off on an adventure.
We'll tell you what that is soon. Hi guys, we just drove up Mount Tamborine.
We are at the glowworm caves, which is exciting. I've never been there before.
Yeah, I've lived in Gold Coast my whole life and I've never been to the glowworm caves on Mount Tamborine. It's just like 30 minutes from our house, so we're gonna go do that now. Where are we, Beck?
We are at the glowworm caves, waiting to go on our tour in about 20 minutes. So we've got coffee, it's Merlot, that's good. Looking at some ducks.
Yeah, we had to find something to do for 30 minutes, so we're looking at ducks. Now we're going to go look at some frogs.
A group of birds is called a flock, a group of otters is called a romp, but a group of frogs is called an army. So when they send out your army, let's hope it's still frogs.
I'm not going to shut the door. We're in the frog hollow. What's in there, Beck?
A dainty tree frog, which I can't actually see.
Neither.
Dainty, so that is were interesting, and there were a lot missing. But
Oh, there wasn't much in there really.
and I think they hide from the noises as well, because they're not like the same like, wavelength, I guess, as their own language. So it's super loud.
Created by glowworms, creatures with the extraordinary ability to generate living light. And glowworms are not alone. Unexpected forms of luminous life have been discovered all around the world. From sea life to fungi, insects, and bacteria. Living light.
We just finished in the glowworm cave. It was really cool. What did you think?
It was so cool. I've never seen anything like it. They're like bright green little lights everywhere, which is pretty cool.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
Now we're going to do the skywalk, the Rainforest skywalk.
Yeah.
Hey guys, we just got to, where did we get to?
The Rainforest skywalk, I think. Which
Yeah.
is pretty cool.
Which is pretty cool. We've got this little entryway. What do we got here, Beck?
These are some bulbs.
Got some bugs. There's some more bugs. It's not real, it's dead, isn't it? Fish? Yeah, it's fake.
I don't tell.
Beck thought that snake was real. I did too, to be honest. So we're just going to do the rainforest walk. It's pretty far down. It's so cool though, we're like up in the top of the rainforest. Beck is my tour guide.
In 8 meters there is a fig.
What does the other one say? Oh look, there's a parrot up there or something.
If you're scared of heights, I highly do not recommend coming up here. But if you can do it,
Coming up on flowering forest trees. That is a wheel of fire tree.
so they obviously blossom in spring, so
What are we in now?
we're in winter.
No, we're not. It's August. Yeah.
Which is winter.
Is it?
June, July, August is winter. Spring is in 10 days.
She's right again.
But we'll come back in spring and see what. Why are you giggling? I want to go to Japan when it's like their spring season and see all their cherry blossoms. They look so cool.
Sunshine, my dear, why you playing? I just hope it makes some sense. Spotlight from behind. Sunshine, my dear, why you playing? I can chill. Seems so good. Spotlight from behind.
We are heading into the cantilever lookout. It's like sunset, so this. Yeah. Sunset, so the sun is so bright. It's bouncing heaps because there was girls just on here bouncing like crazy, and I feel like I can't feel my legs, but that's alright.
Instructions strictly prohibited. That does not give me much confidence.
So interesting. So that was so rocky, wasn't it?
The whole thing moves because there's only a pole in the center behind us.
Just right there.
So like
It's,
this,
really
the
tall.
pole like moves like this, obviously, and there's only like cables either side. And the girls before that
We're like
went out there,
rocking it like crazy.
jumping. And it specifically says, "Don't rock."
But yeah.
We're back at the top of the cool little rainforest walk.
It
What
was
did you think?
so nice. I love that stuff. It was really cool.
It's really cool. Now I think we're gonna duck around the corner and go to a waterfall. Where are we, back?
We're at Mount Tamborine National Park.
How do you say that?
I don't want to try. Access, Curtis Falls, Lower Creek Circuit. So we'll see which one we do. I don't mind.
Yeah, we're just gonna go for a walk through here. Finally, how far away are we?
Yeah, this tree trunk. Look at this tree. This one here.
Crazy.
No, this side here. Look at it here. I'm like tiny. But look how cool all of this is. How much into these together.
Dramatic, guys.
We're at the Curtis Waterfall, I think it is. It's so nice.
We just got here.
The water is like really clear. I don't know if you guys can see that, but you can see all the way to the bottom, even in the middle.
Yeah, it's
It's
pretty
so
cool.
nice.
It's a waterfall up there. It's funny because the road's only like just there. See the car go past? So bizarre, you wouldn't even know it was here. We're at the middle of the track. Oh! Catch my breath. What's this, Beck?
I have no idea, it's just a little creek that's running down from the waterfall we showed you guys earlier. Kind of stopped because there's not much water flow, but it's because it hasn't been raining, so it looks pretty dirty, but I think it's just that there's mud underneath it, not sand.
So we're gonna keep running now. Thanks for watching, guys. That's another video done.
We've just walked to the end of the mountain rainforest walk and we're about to head off for our family barbecue.
If you like that one, leave a like down below.
Don't forget to subscribe as well.